How to contact Novelah Support. If you need to contact Novelah Support, you can reach them through different ways. And the major way here is by logging in into your Novelah account. Once you've logged in and you're brought to the home page, you'll see the different stories that you can get or you can read on the Novelah application, as you can see on my screen. And then once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see 5 icons, namely home, ranking, invite, follow, me. Just go ahead and click on me. After clicking on me, you'll be brought to your accounts page. On this page, you can see other options, okay, such as redeem, points record, bonus center, enter invitation code, all friends, reading history, my comments, to be a writer, reviews, need help, Facebook page. Just go ahead and click on need help. And by the time you click on need help, you will be directed to the helps page. So on this page, you can see similar questions that you might have. All right, similar questions, articles addressing similar questions that you might have. And then when you check through all of this, but you still could not find your answer, go ahead and click on ask for human help. And then here you take it to a page where you'll be asked to select your question type, describe your questions, your problem, and then upload like about 5 screenshots of your problem so that they can see where your problem is. Click submit now and then wait for an answer via your email. This is how you can contact Novelah Support. Thank you for watching and have a good day.